Welcome to Old San Juan, Puerto Rico, and the La Concha, a Marriott resort, right here on the beach in Puerto Rico. We love it. Favorite place ever. Let's check out the hotel, the surrounding area, and get a room tour. I'm guessing you're planning the trip to Puerto Rico, maybe the La Concha. Well, if you are, you're in the right place. We have a great video. Stay tuned and let's take a look around. Right out front of the hotel, attached to the hotel, there is a restaurant/bar, awesome place in the evening, and a nice ice cream spot, which is really good during the day. So check it out. This is a Marriott property, so Bonvoy, their rewards program, it works here. You'll earn points, you can use points, and you could even use your suite upgrades, which we did. Wait till you see this room tour. If you haven't noticed, yeah, that's a casino right here at the resort. So walk on downstairs and have some fun. I absolutely love this lobby. Not only is it beautiful, but it's also functional. There is a seating area, a bar, multiple entrances and exits to the pools, the pool area, the elevators, and the restaurants. So you'll find yourself passing through here quite a bit. Who's ready for a room tour? Because I sure am. Executive, corner, ocean view, suite. Let's check this out. Most beautiful room I've ever stayed in my entire life. Completely in awe and totally wanted to move in. Let's check it out. Amazing room. Let's head back downstairs. We'll check out a couple restaurants. There is a nightclub. I couldn't get in, but we'll get a look around the property, the pools, the beach, and finish this tour of this hotel. It's so beautiful.
All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker.
Our last visit to this resort, this was a restaurant. We had an amazing dinner. Not sure what's going on now, but it's still beautiful. You can plan an event, have a meeting, throw a wedding, do whatever you'd like, but there's tons of space here at this resort. Check it out. Right outside the doors of the lobby, there's a courtyard. It's a pool area. There's drinks, there's a bar, there's a place to eat. It's really nice. Let's check it out.
So let us dance this night away.
we've come to the end of the video. But it's not really the end. You want to have some fun? Go ahead and do it. So, book your trip. Let's get out there. Let's enjoy it. Hope you enjoy this little bit of a sunrise, and we'll grab some breakfast next door real quick. Thanks so much for watching our video. It means a lot. While you're at it, give us a big thumbs up. Say hi in the comments, and subscribe if you like what we do. And have an amazing trip. I can't wait to hear about it.